Yeah, if you believe that, my battery went dead. I thought it was totally charged. It wasn't. So, let's see what we can do. See if we can get this thing out of here. It is really jammed in here. They weren't taking any chances this time. Alright, let's see if I can get it out of there. Jeez. This is something else. Alright. And then push it back. Wow. This thing is something else. They made sure this sucker wouldn't move, that's for sure. But, well, all right, let me stop the camera, and I'll have to do this off camera. Okay, I got it out of the box, finally. Let's see. Now, and this time here I brought my ramrod out so I can check the board. Let's see. So I'll take that, see if we can find it in here. Kind of a mess we have there. Well, not as dirty as the other one was. And No.4. It has the older flip sight on it, so that dates it pretty much. Okay, see if it's the one I sent in, because the stock was messed up. Nope, this one has a nice clean stock. Dirty, but no major dents or dings. Now, let's open this up. The bolt is kind of stuck in the grease a little bit, but other than that, it's good. Now, I'm going to find out if this thing has anything in the barrel. Hope not. Should be able to go straight through. And, yes, it does. We have no obstructions. Thank goodness. We don't have to go through that again. Alright, so this takes a 303 British. And, let's see if I can open it up. I don't know which side it's going to be on, but we'll find out. Come on, you. These things are always hard to open. Better way. There we go. All right. And these are Graff & Sons bullets, so they're nice brand new bullets. They have never been fired. They're not surplus. Spire point bullets. Let's see how far that'll go in the barrel. Let's see if it's barrel shot out or not. Okay. Well, it goes pretty far. Not totally shot out, but I'd say it's a well-used bore for sure. Nothing seems to be loose. Okay. That's it, just dirty. So, okay. Bolt goes in there good. So that's good. Locks up tight. The way it's supposed to. There's where the firing pin is back there. There. So, This is an older one because the older ones had this flip sight. It's a flip peep sight on it. The other one they sent had a newer one. It was a newer one, but of course it was totally screwed up. So let's see. Let me see here. There's a serial number. I'll have to take a look at that date, my date code book, and it does say right here, number 4, Mark 1. Okay. Looks like date is 1943. So there you go. Definitely a World War II vintage rifle. A number 4 Mark 1 Enfield rifle. There's the 10 round clip, or I should say magazine, not clip. They do have stripper clips for these. I do have them. And so, anyway, I'll go ahead and check this thing out, and I'll check the serial numbers and all that, make sure to see if it's all matching or not. But definitely in better shape than the last one. This will have a shootable bore, I'm sure. And there you go. That's it. So, it took me a month to get this because they got it back on April 10th. I sent it out the 2nd. So they had it since the 10th, and it took them the 17th. I called them. I said, where are we at? And they said, well, it'll probably be another 2 weeks. Well, it wasn't 2 weeks. It was like 8 days. So anyway, there you are. That's what we're looking at. We'll see you guys.